Is Apple iMessage down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have issues with Apple iMessage right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. If you try to go to Google, to your favorite browser, and then search for Apple iMessage down, which I will do right now. Just like this, and then if you go to the first site, you will see that right now there are over 8,000 reports. And also, most reported problems are at sending messages. So you are not able to send messages. If you scroll down, you will see some comments from people who also have issues with messages right now on Apple. So if you do have issues right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.